Alright boys, so welcome back to another brand new video. Today we are revealing a massive idea on which we are working. So actually I'm working on building my own SaaS for side hustle, and we'll be targeting to make it on up to 4 figures, and I will be deploying that eventually. But before all and to kickstart things, let me give you a system design and then give you an overview about the actual product, how would it be and what it would do. So first and foremost thing is what actually the idea is. Second please. Alright was uh, okay. So the idea is to build a SaaS product, and I'll name it as IELTS essay evaluation valuation. So yeah, actually we are building an ALS essay evaluation tool. The way it would work is like it will take all the essay along with the question prompt, and it will assess your essay based on the IELTS criteria, the official IELTS criteria, which is mentioned in the British Council website, right? So mm, it's something like this, I guess. Yeah, they have mentioned everything regarding the marking and all that jazz. Perfect. So actually we're targeting that tool, okay, to assist like those who are aspirants and are willing to take their IELTS test. Actually we are presenting this tool for them so that they can assist their IELTS task 1 and task 2. I mean the writing module with this tool. The way it will work, let me just give you a real quick step forward system design for it. I've made this system design for it. The way it would work is like there will be a front end obviously in the Next.js, but you'll decide. But for now I think Next is best for optimization and all these things. All right, and about this is the system design, but in this system design this is the front end, and front end will be directly connected through the API gateway with the backend, and the backend services, yeah, there will be a bunch of things. This is the end user will be deploying and load balancers for handling most of our traffic. Also will be integrating Kafka for messages to like uh, for now, as of now, I think we'll be going with the monolithic architecture, but if our traffic increase eventually, then we'll be migrating that into the microservice. And yeah, obviously for storing things and objects, we'll be integrating the cloud storage, the AWS S3 bucket. Perfect. And for authentication, we are either using NextAuth or a bunch of other providers as well. So eventually looking at that as well. Perfect. Uh, yeah, this is the backend. So for the backend, we'll be going with Node.js Express, or in the worst scenario, we can also go with the bun, which is in the current market is one of the trends. So I think going with either Node.js or with bun would be a good idea. And yeah, for assessment tools, I'll just train the AI model based on the all criteria that have given by the IELTS British Council official website. We'll be integrating this module in the backend as well, and this will be communicating with our Express server or maybe Node.js or either bun. Perfect. Alright, makes sense. So moving to the other part, inside the A model will be integrating TensorFlow, serve, and a bunch of other things which we serving their functionalities as, like, let's say I wanna, like, in our current SaaS part, what this A model will do, uh, it will take all the content that will have given by the user, right, the end user. Then that content will be eventually refined. It will remove all the noise in the content. It will then check the grammatical mistakes. There are a bunch of steps and systematic ways to make it more assist, so that you can easily get your pure and perfect pen score according to the IELTS marking criteria with the least amount of errors, or we'll try to make it more rectified. So as of now, this is the idea which we'll be implementing. And one foremost thing I have to mention here is that I'm gonna make it open source, right? So this project will be open source and will be present in the GitHub to everyone, so that anyone can contribute to this. And yeah, I will be can send a pull request, and I'll check that out. After accepting pull request, and your code will be branched. So yeah, that's all for this video, and yeah, hope that it will work. And also after development and deployment, we'll be working on the marketing part. So there are a lot of much more to cover. Yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.